love. Lovely is her real name. Yeah, that is my real name. After I, before I become a streamer, I don't like my name. I don't like my name because people don't believe I'm love. My name is love because I am not lovely. When I realize when I become a streamer, I like to tell my name is lovely because they always say that you are I lovely. What is that? That is the Chicana. Then I become happy na. Then I'm proud of my name na. That is why my ano also my YouTube name is Wonder Love. That is Wonder Love because I am love. My mother ano that my mother gave that name to me so I need to use it. That's the name you were born with. Huh? That's the name you were born with. Yeah. Yeah, that is my name. So I don't have choice. Before I don't like it. I keep asking my mother, Mother, why my name is Lovely? He said like because and how many times I don't know how many times I keep asking her since I was young. Okay, but she only have one answer. It did not change until now. She said because I am lovely. When I was a baby, I was very lovely, and until now I'm lovely. That is her reason. If you ask, even if you guys ask my mother's name why her name is lovely, she will answer you guys because she was lovely. She's lovely. You know, guys, I am very dark. When I was a kid, I am very dark, guys. Dark, long hair and dark. Very dark, guys. You can't imagine. Lovely is the name that really describe you. Thank you, Lance. Thank you.